Hello friends, this is my YouTube video about homemade shampoo for all type hair. At first, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos and click the bell icon. Let's start the video. You will need for this homemade shampoo 10 grams Rita, 10 grams Shikakai, 5 grams Amla without seed. Antibacterial and antifungal nature of Rita helps to keep scalp dandruff free. It helps to get rid from hair loss. It gives gentle looks to hair and makes hair shinier and softer. Antioxidant of Shikakai helps to prevent free radical damage. It has vitamin C which gives scalp collagen boost for promoting hair growth. It can also nourishes hair follicles. Amla can reduce hair fall, dandruff. It can prevent premature hair graying. Now take all the ingredients in a bowl and add 750 ml water. Now let them soak for over the night. On the next morning, heat the mixture and boil it for 15 minutes. Now remove the heat and let it cool. Then crush all the ingredients. Now you can apply the mixture as shampoo. It will definitely clean hair and makes hair silky, shiny, glowing. This shampoo is suitable for all type of hair. Thank you for watching my video.